will show you an activity regarding physical change. So for this we need an empty bowl and a glass full of water. And now I will pour this water in this bowl. Now I will put it into the fridge. Now I am putting it in the fridge and I will leave it here for 2 hours. So 2 hours are completed and I am taking it out and I will heat it up. So now you all can see that it is fully freezed. So now I am heating it up. So now you can see that it is again converted into water and hence it is reversible. So it is a physical change. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Chaudhary from class 7th and I am here to show you 3 activities. First, I will show you chemical reaction. So to show my first activity, we need a plate, a tissue paper, a matchbox, a hand sanitizer and a bowl full of water. So let us start. Now first I will pour some sanitizer in the plate. Now I will heat up it. So now as you can see that a flame is obtained here, so now I will put here the tissue paper. So as you can see that it catches the fire and it is burned and is irreversible. So we can say that it is an chemical change.
Myself Nandini Ajmera from class 7. Properties of chemical reaction. There are 5 properties. First, evolution of gas. The involved gas can be seen as bubbled, called effervescence. Second, color change in color. Color change takes place due to the formation of new substance having a different color than the reactants. Absorption of heat. Depending on the absorption of heat, chemical reaction can be classified as first, exothermic reaction, second, endothermic reaction. Fourth, change in physical state. Example, when hydrogen and nitrogen in their gaseous state are taken in a vessel and electricity is passed through them, water or liquid formed. Fifth, formation of precipitates. When solution of 2 chemical compounds are mixed together and insoluble solid substance are formed, known as precipitate. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Divyam Somani is going to explain the exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions with an activity. So let's begin. First, exothermic reactions. Chemical reactions during which heat is evolved are known as exothermic reactions. For example, when carbon in the form of coal is burnt in the presence of oxygen, it produces a lot of heat. So it is like that. C plus O2. In this, C is carbon and O2 is oxygen. So C plus O2 equals to carbon plus oxygen. So it will burn and make carbon dioxide, which is CO2. Now, endothermic reactions. Chemical reactions during which heat is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. For example, when sodium bicarbonate is heated, it absorbs energy in the form of heat or sodium carbonate. So it is like that. 2NaHCO2 will heat and make Na2CO3 and it will plus H2O plus CO2 will up and minus heat. So it will 2NaHCO will be sodium bicarbonate and Na2CO3 will be sodium carbonate and H2O is water, CO2 is carbon dioxide. Now we will move to the activity. So in activity, what we have to do to see evolution of heat in a chemical reaction. So firstly, take 1 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Add 1 millimeter of dilute sodium hydroxide solution of it. The test tube becomes hot. Why? Chemical reactions take place between dilute hydroxide acid and dilute sodium hydroxide solution, and energy is evolved in the form of heat. So HCl means hydrochloric acid plus NaOH, sodium carbon hydroxide solution will be NaCl, sodium chloride, and plus it will be water plus heat. So thank you.